Ella, I want you to dribble forward. I want you to try something, okay? So Charlotte, it goes back to Ella, okay? My attackers, can I have my attackers up here? Dribble forward, Ed. Ella, try something. Try your feint. I love it. Other side. Other side. Let's go. Come on, Olivia. Girls, we're a little flat. We're a little flat. Just follow her. Just follow her. As soon as she dribbles, go, Annie. Go, Annie.
That's you, Olivia.
That's you, Olivia. Dribble forward. Forward motion. Forward motion. Forward motion. Forward motion. Forward motion. Take your time, Roz. Yep, there we go, Rosie. Step. Girls, can we talk? Okay, Ella, demand the ball. Find that space. Dribble, Rosie. Dribble. Rosie, dribble. Dribble, girl.
Stand up. Right through.
Yeah, good. Good, good. Turn and go. Attack now.
One of you.
Okay, it's your ball, Olivia. Right away. Yeah, put your foot on the ball. Dribble forward. Go, go, go. Other side. Other side. Go forward. 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 Yes. Now, hit it, Annie. Unlucky.
Follow it up.
Follow up. Step up. Step, step, step.
Got time, Ray.
Hey, Ray. Relax. Okay? Keep it in.
That's okay. It's our ball.
It's your ball.
Olivia.
It's your ball, Olivia. So, Ray, take a touch, okay? It's our big thing, right? Ella, you need to show through the middle. You can't just be standing there, Ella. Yeah, dribble. Olivia, dribble. Dribble. Yes. Good girl.
That's okay. Again.
Yours again. Ella, show for her. Consistent. Do you need a sock? Are you hurt? Is she hurt? I can't hear what she's saying. She keeps pulling on her hamstring. Okay, just let me know if you think this. Let me know if you think she's hurt. Yeah. Good job. Calm down, Rosie. I want you to control the ball, okay?
Raise the ball.
Yeah, right. Dribble. Put your foot on it. Get ready for the switch. Get ready for the switch. Get ready for the switch. Forward motion. See, Rosie? Forward motion, Rosie. There we go, girl.
Yep. Follow. Get wide, Olivia.
Come on, girls. We're a little flat-footed. That's you, Ella. Send it back. Cycle. 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 Come on, step, Ray. Good job, McKenna. Yes, play, burner. Go, speed.
That's okay. Get back down. Yes.
That's you, Roz. That's you, Ella. Good job, Ella. Good job, Ella. That's yours, Ella. Dribble right away, Ella. Beat her.
Olivia, let her know.
Great ball. Rod, Jackie, I'm relying on you for the sub-timing. Okay? Because they didn't start a timer, so we have no idea what we've got. Okay?
Mark up,
Rosie,
girls.
can you take a few steps back? Rosie, goal side on her.
Go, Olivia.
Go. Step, Olivia. Good job, girl.
Olivia, keep going.
Okay.
Retreat. Retreat.
Retreat, girls. Girls, just to the half. 4 high press. It's a 4 high press, Ella. You're part of the press.
Go.
Press.
Go, Olivia. Go, Olivia.
Come on, Olivia. Good job, girl. Good job, Charlotte. Look, now call for it, Ray. Tell her you're there. Good job. Other side. That's you, Ella. Get it back, girl. Good job, Ella. Good job, Ella.
Stop, please. Okay, mark up, girls.
Mark up. Hey, Olivia, this is yours, number 11. You just relax, Olivia. Relax, Olivia. Play, Roz.
You got a holler?
It's okay.
It's a handball, Roz.
Come on,
Let's go, McKenna. I believe looking for rebounds. Okay. Good job, Ella. Ella, you got to follow it up, girl. Go, Olivia. Go, Olivia. Go, Olivia.
Keep going, keep going.
Forward, Annie. Forward, Anna. Forward, Anna.
Oh, good ball, Ella.
Miss Rosie.
That's it. Great ball, Anna. Wheel shot. No retreats. Okay, Ella, you got to push up on that girl in the middle. Oh, good job, Ella.
That's it.
Come on, Anna.
Rangers brothers, free you there. Come on, pass it. Open up now. Don't get away. Open up.
Other side. Go. Go, 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 Olivia. Go, Olivia. Go, Olivia.
Yep.
Go, Charlotte. Let's go, girl. Give it a shoot. Shot. Start. Charlotte, good job. Ella, look back. Let it go out. Sub, referee. Ray, come on up.
Everybody but.
Yeah, all the wingers. You're on the right
Come on,
side.
Anna.
You're on the right side. Liana,
Olivia,
hold your spot. Okay.
You're that side, yep. Get wider, Liana.
Forward, 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 forward. Yes.
Great ball, Hannah. Go.
That's you, Scarlett. That's you, girl.
Yes, Hannah. Good ball. Oh,
Yes.
yes.
Yes. Again.
Now switch, other side.
I don't mind that. That's very good soccer, girls.
Great balls, Hannah.
Good job. Hannah, you're a little high for my liking. Rosie, just step more in the middle, honey. Rosie.
I need somebody over here today. She needs help.
Rosie, just go outside on her. Just go outside.
Good ball up, Evan.
Show Scarlett. Scarlett. I did see it. Girls, don't forget to check things off your list. Scarlett, show. Run in and show. Yes. It's okay.
Go, keep going, keep going.
Scarlett, fine.
There you go.
Yep. Yep. Newt, find space. Find space. Your ball. Oh. Girls, we're a little flat. We're a little flat. Let's bring some energy. We're a little flat. Let's bring some energy. Press. Press. Go, Scarlett. Go, Annie. Go, Annie.
You okay,
Play, Scarlett. You okay?
Good job.
Yes, again, Scarlett. Get it back, Scarlett.
Okay, your ball, Hannah.
Scarlett, check something off your list now. Okay. Can we find the other side? Can we find the other side? No. Dribble your way in. Dribble. Dribble. Forward. 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 I love it.
Good job, Hannah.
Good job, Hannah. So, Hannah, don't be so tentative. I believe in you. Okay? Step in.
Let's go. Go for her up the way. Up the way.
Your ball, Scarlett. Scarlett, you just dribble. Liana, go to the other side. Do you want them out there, ref? For subs? Okay, thank you. As long as I know. Scarlett, just dribble. Try something.
Work hard, Liana. Good job.
Good job, Liana. That's play. It's gonna be your ball, Hannah. It's gonna be your ball, Hannah.
Up the line, Annie.
Up, come on, forward, push. Girls, we're slow. Good. Again. Scarlett, push forward. Scarlett, push forward, sweetie. Dribble, Annie, and look for Scarlett.
Now go, Liana.
Keep it in, Scarlett. Unlucky. Stand in front of her, Scarlett. Come on, Liana. Good job, Rosie. Oh. Rosie on the ball. ball.
All of it.
Girls, we're very quiet. Can we find some energy? Scarlett, demand the ball right now. Scarlett, demand it. Scarlett, demand it. Yeah, move. No, too late. Scarlett, you gotta kick it, Rosie.
Let's go, Rosie.
Girls, closer to her.
Good ball. That's okay.
Nice ball, nice ball.
Oh.
Great
Oh.
movement.
Good job.
Scarlett, good job.
Good ball, Rosie. High level, please.
Four high press. Four high press.
Yes.
Scarlett, do a little fake next time. Outside touch. Shoot that thing. Press. Press. Scarlett, you own the middle. Yeah. Right away, Scarlett. Don't wait. Foot on the ball. Go, Scarlett. Go. Go, Scarlett.
Let her know, Leanna.
No. Hannah, Rosie, you need to be wider, right? We have possession. We have possession, right? So, yes, perfect, Rosie. Step in, Hannah, step in. Step in, Hannah. Hannah, stop running backward. Don't retreat, step in. Okay?
Drop off, Rosie.
Stretch out, Ranger.
Annie, this is your
Look at the
player.
pass now.
Yep.
You
Next
open.
hustle, you girls are going in. Get your last single ball. What you need to do.
That's you, Annie. That's you, girls. Come on, come to it, Morgan. Morgan, I need you to come to the ball, okay?
Girls, you have to talk about this.
Go for it, Scarlett. Stop giving it away.
Behind Olive. You've got two behind. Olive, you've got two
Annie,
behind.
watch here.
You can't let them behind.
Ref, substitutions.
So Olive,
Scarlett.
Good morning, Hannah.
Girls, can I have everyone's smiling faces in front of me? Girls, we cannot hear you.
Hey, Olivia, why are you hiding? Yes, right there.
Get back to what we do best.
Work hard.
Moving the ball.
Your ball, Anna.
Right idea to dump.
Yep.
Ball, Anna.
Go get it, Olivia.
Hey, step right, step right. Good ball. Go wider, Olivia, wider.
Yes, Olivia, you're too close.
Anna. Keep going, Olivia.
Good job, Olivia.
Ray, stay back.
Good
Ray,
job, your ball.
drop Hannah.
Dribble.
Dribble, Olivia.
Dribble and shoot. Yeah.
Ball. Keep going, Anna. Step.
Raylan, goal side. Raylan, goal side. Raylan, behind her means goal side. Okay, yes, there you go.
Olivia, you're crowding your own players.
Ball movement. Ball movement. I don't want this. Here we go. No retreat. Press, Charlotte, press. Come on, Anna. Anna.
Can't shoot from there.
Some of them. Right away, Anna. Right away. The other thing, girls, I would like to say is we're giving them too much time to set. All we have to do
Go, Olivia.
is straight in right away.
Oh, nice try. No retreat. Go, girls.
Get it,
Go.
Olivia.
Get the ball.
Okay, girls. Listen. This is okay. Everyone.
Guys, listen to Coach Shetty.
Game on. If she makes a save and puts the ball down, Olivia could have put it in the game.
Referee sub.
Wait, take a kick. That's a right ball. You run and you put that ball in.
Go for it, Ella.
If she makes a save.
Oh, nice try.
As soon as she puts it down, Ella, press.
Go.
Drop, Ray, drop. Now cycle. Cycle other side.
That's it, Sophie.
Olivia, get wide.
Yes, Rosalie, get it up.
Okay.
Olivia, you're crowding out your own center mids. Olivia.
Watch here.
Okay.
Rosalie.
No, it's their ball, Olivia. You gotta get from the ball.
Like you're on the field.
Your mid, you gotta come in the middle.
Okay, you're on ball, Olivia.
You're on ball, Olivia.
Yeah, you guys, it's orange ball.
Hannah on the ball. Hannah on the ball. Hannah on the ball. Go, Hannah. Dribble, dribble, dribble. Down the line. Through the middle. Go, go, Ella. Yeah, down the line. Ella. Hey. I can see you. It's just a little bit.
You got this, Hannah. You're on ball, Olivia.
Between her. Yep. Olivia's gonna come down the line.
You ready
No,
for it, Hannah?
don't crowd out Olivia. Don't bother with that. Yep. Don't crowd each other out. And Anna, get on the wing.
Use back. You got back. Let her know.
Other side, other side, other side.
Come to the ball, Anna.
Rangers, two behind. Two behind. Two behind.
Go, Hannah.
Keep it in, Hannah. Keep it in.
Olivia. Hi, Olivia.
Yeah, to Ella. Ella, dribble forward. Forward.
Yes. Go, Olivia.
Shoot, left foot. I love it. I love it. Girls, still talk. Okay?
Dribble. You got to dribble, Olivia. They're not used to it. Now dribble.
Anna, drop towards the net, Anna. Towards the net, Anna.
See from there. I know.
Shoot it, Ella.
100%
Girls, that was it. Everyone sub.
Everyone got ready.
Louder. Are you leader up? Are you leader up? Lead by talking. Hey, you're doing great. Come on in. You're crowding out. Hey, Anna, look at you. You're crowding out the center mid when we have the ball. Because Ella's looking for you. You know what the conductor is? The conductor tells the orchestra, like, what's I need you as the center mid. The conductor, okay, so you tell the orchestra. Whoa, whoa.
She just
Okay.
one more day.
Okay, have you done any of your moves? Okay, have you done any of your moves? Okay, 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 good. Yeah. Okay. Are you okay? Okay. Rosie, settle. Other side, Scarlett.
Let her know, Leanna, you're open.
Scarlett, smarter passing, girls. Ray, stop just booting it away. I want possession. Okay, Ray, step now.
Keep going, Ella. To net. Oh, good hustle, Veronica.
Good job. Step in, step in, step in. Good. To the ball now, Morgan. To the ball.
Yes, Morgan.
Much better, Morgan. Much better.
Good job, Morgan.
It's your ball, Annie. Annie, don't let them get set. Don't let Scarlett. Don't let them get set. Annie. Annie, come on, girl. Too slow. Come on.
Just have to do
Come on, Ray. Come on, Ray. Show for her. Show for her.
Hey, let's get that ball ready. Monica, push up. Yes, push up. Stand up. Get close.
Girls, who's on seven?
see the that's why see my hand let's see what
Press. Press. Come on, girls. Go, 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 Annie. Go, Annie. Go forward. Annie, you're going out to the wing. Forward through the middle.
Yes, good ball, Annie.
Step, Ray. Time. Time. That's a girl. Hey, Ray, I'll take that. I like that a lot. Okay?
Push up. Push up.
just like
Rosie, drop. Tuck in. Rosie, drop.
What's the worst?
It's out of bounds, girls. from here.
Leanna, right in there.
Again.
Good cross. Good cross.
Mark up again, girls.
Girls, she's gonna boot it.
Evelyn, push in. Push in.
Scarlett in front of 13. In front of her. So Scarlett in front of 13. Okay?
Evelyn, keep going in. Go in. Way up. Stand and stay back.
Good girls. Good.
Oh, nice turn. Good try, Evelyn.
Our ball.
Let's go, Rangers!
Come on, girls. Positions. Where are you?
Great. Dribble in.
Evelyn, behind. You need to take her.
Scarlett, lots of movement in here. In front of her, Scarlett. Your girls can't see you, Scarlett. That's not us. Yes.
Go to that ball.
Yes, Scarlett.
Go to the ball.
Good. Outside again.
Get in there, Rosie.
I like it. Step in. Settle.
Go.
Come on, Raylan. Boot it, McKenna. Can you boot it? Step forward. Give it to Rosie. Yes.
Down the line.
Go, man.
You got time.
Time. Hey, Annie, you have to take that touch. Motion.
Everybody has to go Rosie.
I need one thing to do. Give me a little first. Good.
Watch wide, Anna. You gotta cross.
That's a great ball.
Anna.
Way to hustle, Veronica. Yeah.
Veronica, where's your celebration? Veronica, let's go, Veronica.
Come on, pay attention, Charlotte.
Great finish there, too. Hey, Veronica.
I missed it.
Okay, girls, find your spot. Be ready.
Ella, I want you to go forward. Out.
Yep, Olivia, go. Yes, go, Olivia.
Touch forward, Olivia. Keep it in.
Nice try.
Girls.
Okay, you.
Rosie, drop back. We have volunteer for goal. You want to do it?
Rosie, equal side. Rosie, drop.
Good job, Olivia. Turn.
That's okay.
You're,
Unlucky. Okay, girls, someone's got to be right here. One. That's me, Rosie. Goal side, Hannah.
just go, Charlotte. Girls again, nobody's talking.
Yep, right away, Olivia.
Olivia, right away. Step out. That's gonna go out of bounds. Girls, relax. It's going out.
Your ball, Hannah.
Good girls, come on in. Yeah, mine is.
Oh, sorry, girls. Yeah, you don't worry. Yes, you guys are. Whoever's just out will be out. Hey, girls, sit down. Your coaches can talk to you.
Hey.
Go sit.
You're gonna play center mid.
Come together, D.
Liana. We're gonna get Scarlett. Do you want to play some striker here?
I have
Okay. And then you're gonna play striker 2 in this half. Both of you guys are gonna play striker.
You girls are going out and play that.
Oh, you're the center mid. Do you want to keep staying center mid? Well,
Yes, Olivia. Oh, keep your touch closer.
Wing.
Yes, so.
Center mid.
Yeah, so good hustle.
Rosie's ball. Now, Anna,
McKenna, you have to show for her. Tighten in. Run in. Go. Come on, Rosie, dribble and go. Good, I saw it. That was a fake. Okay, Rosie, I saw your face. I loved it. Okay,
Olivia, that's
quick.
gonna be open.
McKenna, you have to go take the space in front of you. They're giving you all that space. Now run back, Rosie. Okay. McKenna, I need you to be loud. I like that. Come on, McKenna. McKenna, come on. Settle, girl.
Good turn, Olive.
Your ball, Anna.
Working there, Olive.
Midfield, skip back. We're defensive.
Take this space.
Yes, Sophie. Good
Take
ball.
the space.
Hannah.
See Hannah. Come on, Olivia, I got this. Keep it in. Look back. Hannah.
Nice to be passing to the center.
Atta girl. Other side. Other side.
Go to the ball, girl.
There we go.
Yes, Olive.
That's all. Very good.
Oh, good hustle, Sophie.
Nice good. Nice good.
Get it,
There
Hannah.
it goes. This is much better.
Yes.
Step. Hannah. Yep. Much better, girls. Very good.
Midfield.
Your ball, Olivia. Don't wait.
Back up.
I did talk to her.
Yeah.
She did it.
Oh, there we go. Shoot. Unlucky, Olivia.
Good job, Olivia.
Wingers.
Push up, please.
Retreat.
Oh, no, it's on the ground. It's on the ground.
Susie, get the ball. They just they don't even.
Yeah.
They just like
Press.
get the ball. So.
Don't be scared. Come on, Charlotte.
There you go, Sophie.
McKenna, cycle it. McKenna, don't let her just run by you. McKenna, get back.
Put a fight into it.
Good turn, Hannah. That was a great turn.
Oh, good ball.
Out.
They made a new one.
Out.
Good job. Go, Olivia, go. Go, Olivia, go. You're fast. You're so fast.
Yes, Olive. Good hustle.
Dump it now, Hannah. That's a jump.
Get in there.
Touch forward. Now back. It's going to be your ball, Anna. In front of her in the net, Anna. In front of her in the ball. Okay, yes. As soon as she dribbles, you go. You're fine, McKenna. Just chill. Go. All the way. Go.
Good pass,
Good
Hannah.
challenge, Olive. Good hustle, Eva.
Good. Go for it.
Come out, Hughes. Come out.
No retreat.
No retreat, Anna. No retreat. Mark, Anna. Mark.
Good job, Hannah.
Referee substitution.
Everybody but Hannah.
Let's go. Hey, Ella, off this play, I need you to be there for Hannah, okay? Because this is going to be a tricky one. Yeah, I saw you. Good job. Be louder, McKenna.
You got Leanna.
Look at Scarlett now. Go, Scarlett, go for it. Don't crowd her own player.
Beautiful.
That's better.
Right there, Scarlett.
That was a good pass, Leanna. Good job.
One of you passes to stay back. Thank you, babes.
Ella, why don't you give this a shot? Yes. Or you can just chauffeur. Yeah.
Yes, Emma, stick in.
That's the right idea. I don't have any problem with that, Ella. That's great.
Any mark-ups, girls?
A free sub. Leanna, so Scarlett, it's Leanna's job to be there. Your job to be more in the middle. Okay? You're the striker, Scarlett. You should be higher up.
Guys, we should all be back to. There's someone wide, Annie. Yeah. Good job, Annie.
a drop ball, ref. Okay, so Scarlett, what a drop ball is the volley essentially. Okay? Nope, Scarlett, you're gonna volley it. You're gonna drop it.
Annie, get in there. You're good, Annie. Don't worry about it.
No, Scarlett, it's their ball.
As soon as it drops, girls, it's good. Right idea.
I like the idea. Let's go, girls. Ella, beautiful. Okay, keep those going. Passes are press, press. Scarlett, you should be high press.
Yes, Annie.
High press, Scarlett.
Yes, Annie.
Come on, girls. Ella, that's you. Ella, that's you.
Somebody's on this side.
See Scarlett.
Touch.
Oh.
Evelyn, don't let her behind you. Stay with that.
Be in midfield. You got to cover your man. When
Ella, she's got a great boot. Be ready. Okay. Ella, can you take 3 steps back? Yeah.
Let's go.
Take your time.
Got to get in there. Your ball.
Ella, now you got to come back.
Hey, little faster. Let's go. Let's go.
Go, go, go.
Go, Ella. To it, Scarlett. Now you got to come to it, Scarlett. Let it go, Ray. Go. Okay, Morgan. Ella, I want you to show for Morgan. Go to show for Morgan. Go all the way back.
To the half line, Yellow. To the half line.
Morgan, you're going to put it down and pass to Ella. Scarlett. Scarlett. Yep.
Yes, yes. Hard, hard.
Yes. Keep going, keep going.
Yes, Ella, go for it.
Midfield, get back.
Can you cross it? Great ball, Ella.
Good job, Annie. Hannah's in. Who's there?
Who's there? That's you, Ella. Step. Scarlett, find space.
Go watch. Go to the ball.
Scarlett, do a referee sub. Let's sub. Can we sub, ref? Everyone? Olivia.
Lots of running. Lots of double shifts. Good job. Lots of running.
Hey?
Do like you did in the last one.
Oh, you guys got something close. I can feel it. There's something to it. Yes, come on, Charlotte. Go, striker. Let's go, Charlotte. Charlotte, you're the striker. Charlotte, you're the striker. Where should you be? Okay.
Yes, I like that.
Come on, Ray. Pass it back. Ray, relax. Okay? Relax. You have Rozzy back there. Okay? Relax. Okay? Just take that cut.
Midfield, back up. You got to be full side.
Come on, Olivia. Battle for possession. Girls. Come on, McKenna. Yes. Can we show for her behind? Can we show for her, McKenna?
Far side, man. Where are you?
Good job, Olivia. Now work hard.
Run back, Rozzy.
Morgan.
Pick it up. Pick it up.
Now, Olivia, show for her.
Olivia, show. Ray, show. Rozzy, show.
Boot it, Morgan.
Give it a boot, Morgan. Come forward and boot it. I trust you. Good job. Come on, Anna. This is you.
Yes, Olive.
McKenna, I need you to get in the plays, girl. Still you, Anna. Get it, McKenna. She's in her box. Again, give it a boot.
Get ready to run, Olivia.
I love it. Go, Olivia. Outside now.
Get two, Isla. Get two.
Go press the ball.
Try again, Morgan. Try again. said.
No, Olivia, back there.
Charlotte, in front of the goalie. Stand in front of the goalie.
Dribble and go. Shoot.
Shoot. Charlotte, it's your job to stand in front of the goalie when that's going on, okay?
No, wait. Yo, I can
Retreat.
No, I'm fine.
Okay, Charlotte, accept anything off your list?
Ava, how you doing?
I've done everything. I've done it.
Get ready to celebrate.
You don't get anything.
Do it.
I love football.
Come on, McKenna.
Cross, Katie. Go to the ball.
Go, Olivia, go.
Oh, so close.
So Ava and
Referee, sub. Ref, subs on this side.
yes.
Can't see you, ref.
Yeah, try to touch next time. Sorry.
Press.
Yes, I am. Yeah, go.
Come on, Ray, away from the net. I'm fine with that. Referee, sub. When Coach Jackie tells you guys to go,
No. Watch wide, Ray. Goal side.
she dribbled, go. Go. Rosie, don't wait, okay? As soon as she... Is it a corner ref or is it a dribbling?
It's a dribble in. It's not a corner.
She touched it.
She touched it, Rosie, go. Let's go, Anna, I like that. Hey, McKenna, I need you to take a touch and just chill, okay? Girls,
Our
get
ball,
ready for
Ray.
your subs.
Dribble, Ray.
Ray, what are you waiting for? To the ball, McKenna. To the ball, McKenna. Ref, you want to make your subs, Jackie?
No.
Nope. Go, Rosie!
Oh, this is great.
McKenna, Mark.
Girls, take your water.
And stand in front of her, McKenna. Stand in front of her.
Let it go out.
Let it go out. Referee sub. Sub. I sold the job at the center.
Okay, so Ray, on that ball,
Midfield's got to get back. Yes, stop. Good job, Nola. Outside. Good hustle, ladies. Let's go. Get it back.
So girls, it's going to be a 4-high press. Scarlett, the press is mostly you, right? Press. Press. Scarlett, stay high. Yeah, Scarlett, stay high. Look for Scarlett. Control it.
Come on, midfield.
Here she comes, Scarlett. Use your body. Yep. Yep. Leanna, call for it.
Yes, Olive.
Your ball, Scarlett. Just dribble.
Midfield,
Dribble,
get
go.
back. You're on the wrong side of the field. Get back.
Corner. Let's try somebody new. Let's try somebody new. Liana. I want Liana to take it, Scarlett. Scarlett, stay short. Stay short. Scarlett. Scarlett.
Midfielder.
Go, Liana.
Katie and Olive.
Hey, Liana. Great job.
Referee sub.
Caitlin! Good hustle, guys!
Girls, can I have this spot, Charlotte?
Scarlett, you're mostly the press. Liana, you're the press too. You're the closest to the ball, Liana, yeah?
Yeah.
Take your time. Take your time. I love that.
Show, Scar, show.
I don't, that's you, Scarlett.
Use, get your hands on that ball.
Take it, Ella. Remember what I said. Ella, this is Ella now. I want Ella. Ella, they're not set. They're not going to be set. They're set. Just dribble. Just dribble. Just dribble. I love that. That's a trip.
That's okay, it's okay.
Okay, so, big boot time.
Back, yellow, move
We're going to have Ella try this one. Scarlett, in front of the net.
Liana, in the box.
Scarlett.
Rush the net.
See all?
Scarlett, go in the middle. Go in the middle. Right in the middle. Not in front of the goalie, but right there. Right there. Stop there. Your choice, Ella. You make the choice for what you want to do. Right idea.
Go, Monica, send her out, send her out. Yeah.
Now step. Communicate. Outside. Step forward. Keep it in. Keep it in. Keep it in. Keep it in. Now cross it. I love that. Shoot it.
Yeah, Ab.
Oh, Annie, I love that. I love it. So was that for Scarlett or for Annie? Oh, but okay. Yeah, it's okay. That's why I wanted that's why I wanted her to stay there, like short, so that she could just touch it and grip it. But I give it to Ella's choice, because Ella can also get right in. It's her choice. Good job, Annie. Scarlett, you should be high. Scarlett, high. Scarlett, high.
Okay, Mark.
Now Scarlett, sneak in the back. Scarlett.
Stand up. Stand up.
Behind. Scarlett. Scarlett.
That's it, you. Get up there, Rangers. Push up. Push up.
Scarlett, I want you to try.
No retreat.
Push up. Sophie.
Mark, that's you. Control it. Leave it. Hannah, I love it. Hannah, I love it. No. Hannah told you to leave it. She's doing the great. Now we have to show for Hannah. Hannah, we got to all show. No, closer. The center mid should run in. Run towards her, Ella. Yes.
Yeah, let it go.
Go. Give it a shot, Annie. I don't mind it. Give it a shot. I like that, Scarlett.
Yes, let's
No
go.
retreat.
Get out.
No retreat. She's gonna boot it.
Hughes, come on.
Step in.
Yes, step in. Step in.
Oh, Liana, I see the idea.
Let go of the ball.
Scarlett. I was gonna let Annie take the corner.
Girls, go if you want to
Sub
go.
out, girls. Sub out.
Emma and Emma.
Who's taking the corner?
Get back.
Girls,
Yeah, McKenna, look at me. Go that way. Show for her. Yes. Now run in towards her, McKenna. Run in towards her. Yes.
You guys are playing awesome.
Great. You gotta boot that. Play. Girls, play it. No whistles. Okay. It's retreat line, girls. No. It's the right idea. I had Scarlett sitting there because I wanted you to do that to do it.
Step, go.
time. McKenna, you have to show for her. Too far away, you're blocked. Does she have a pass to you?
Hey, go, Hannah.
Go, Hannah. Does she have a pass? Come on, Charlotte.
Go, Olivia.
Let it go out, Olivia. Now, Olivia, right away. Don't let them get set. Here it is. Shoot it, Olivia.
Oh.
See what I mean, Olivia? See? Good job.
Let's go.
Hannah, just remember that she's back there, right? So don't forget about her. We don't like.
Hey, watch the big boot.
Here comes the big boot. Drop, Hannah. Just drop a bit more. Drop, McKenna. Step, 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 step.
Good job, Anna.
Go. Now, can we...
Midfield, get back. Get that closer.
Olivia, look for that through pass next time.
Hard, Pete, hard. Don't stop. Get in there. Get in there.
Very smart.
Get in there. Yes. No retreat. Let's go. Move it out.
Drop, McKenna. Drop, McKenna. Drop, McKenna. Drop, 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 drop.
Go, Anna. Bounce. Go.
Good job, Hannah. Now get between her and the net, Hannah.
Let's go.
Come on, Olivia. You got to run back. Defense first now.
Okay, stand up.
There's like one more bit. Thank you.
Go, girl, go. Now, Anna, call for it. There we go. Olivia, go for it now. That's a good enough dribble. Go for it.
Right corner.
Stay deep, Hannah.
Drop, McKenna.
McKenna, drop all the way back.
Heads.
Heads up.
Hey, your ball, Anna.
Anna, your ball.
Right away.
Look for Charlotte. I love it. Good job, Olivia. This is it.
Don't be scared of the ball. Good step, Hannah. Good job, McKenna.
McKenna, I want you to shoot. I want you to shoot, McKenna. Go for it. I love it.
Okay.
I love it.
Retreat, girls.
McKenna, that's what I was talking about. Good job.